The Water Fountain by Vivian Goldson. Deep in the forest underneath a cave, a beautiful fountain lay hidden. The way to its gate is a heavenly path that will awaken. Clear water ruptures from this fountain, a powerful force that can move a mountain. Its pristine beauty cleanses the mind, and through its essence, peace is found. Its mysterious aura fills spirits with courage. A clean energy will guide you to wholeness. The fountain will spread its harmonic wings, while a symphonic sound reverberates as it sings. When you drink from this source, it purifies the heart, and like magic, new healing will start.